I've been inspired by the Winter Olympics to bring FPV into different industries. And tonight, I'm gonna be flying an FPV drone through a fashion show. Let's get started. I had a lot of fun shooting this. Hopefully you enjoyed it as well. And I'm gonna try to do some more unique things with my drone to see what the limits are, honestly. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something that you can use to create the life that you want to live.
More warning.